Hello my dear friends, again I would like to welcome you on this e-learning class. Previous video we saw exercise 3.8 part 1, now here part 2. Okay, remaining we saw A, B, C, 3 examples, D you will have to solve. Now see I will solve now E. 18 plus 36 E. 18 plus 36 divided by 18 multiplied by 4 divided by 18 multiplied by 4 minus 5. See, I'll override with different chalks, means you will understand. Now see, before this I hope you take out page number 44, exercise number 3.8. right? Now see, as you know that which rule is we are applying, which rule? DMAS rule. Very good. D stands for division, MAS. M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. Very good. Now first which operation? D stands for division. Division is here, yes, because in this problem 4 operations are here: addition, division, multiplication, subtraction. So first what we will do, which operation first? Division. So division operation. Okay, now how to solve? I said equal sign, then 36, sorry first remaining term as it is, and whichever the answer will come, quotient will come, you will have to write instead of this all. 36 divided by 8, 36 divided by 8, 18. In 18 table 36 is there, yes, 18 2s are 36, means answer is, quotient is 2. So instead of 36 divided by 18, what we will write? We will write 2. Okay, so remaining as it is, 18 plus as it is, instead of 36 divided by 18, answer is 18 2s are 36, multiplied by 4 as it is, minus 5 as it is. Right, now next which operation? Now here addition is there, multiplication is there, and subtraction. So which operation? Multiplication. So equal sign down, equal sign, 18 as it is plus as it is, 2 multiplied by 4, 2 4s are, or 4 2s are 8, minus 5. Okay, after this which operation first? Addition or subtraction? Now 2 remain. Now see, in such a cases, if the only 2 operations are there, addition and subtraction, so you can do any one first, but you can do subtraction first, then addition, then also okay, but go through the sequence, it will be helpful for you. Okay, first addition, 18 plus 8, 26, 8 2s are 16, 6, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 26 minus 5. Answer. Now only one operation, subtraction, 26 minus 5, 21. Understand? It's so easy. Okay, now E or now F, it's very important. Okay, now see, F, I'll write here 100 minus 72, 100 minus 72 divided by 9 plus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 2. Now how many operations are here? Subtraction, division, addition and multiplication. All four operations are here. Which one will come first? Obviously division. So how we are solving? Instead of this 72 divided by 9, we are writing the quotient. In 9's table 72 is there. Yes, 9 hows are 72, or else you can do division. 72, 9 8s are 72. So instead of 72 divided by 9, what we will write? 8, because 9 8s are 72, and remaining term as it is, 100 as it is, this minus term as it is. Instead of 72 divided by 9, we will write 8, because 8 9s are 72. Then remain what? Plus 4 as it is, multiplied by 2 as it is. Now which operation? Now 3 operations are here: subtraction, addition, multiplication. Now obviously multiplication, this one remaining as it is, 100 minus 8 plus 4 2s are 8. Understand? Now see how many operations are here: subtraction, addition. So which operation first? Addition. But remember here, this 8 sign is minus sign. I told you before previous video. If no sign is there, means always addition sign. Now which one are the addition sign? Which digits having addition size? Which numbers having addition size? किस नंबर को addition size साइन है? 100 प्लस है, प्लस 100 प्लस 8. तो नाउ व्हाट विल हैव टू डू? अभी हमें क्या करना है? बी केयरफुल. ये 8 प्लस 8 नहीं करना है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस एडिशन साइन, दिस 8 प्लस 8 है, और ये नो साइन इज देयर मीन्स प्लस साइन, ऑलवेज प्लस साइन. सो 100 प्लस साइन है. सो प्लस प्लस साइन हम क्या करेंगे? पहले ऐड करेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? बिकॉज एडिशन इज फर्स्ट. सो 100 प्लस 8, 100 plus 8, 108. What is remain? Minus 8. Now subtraction is equal to 108 minus 8 is equal to, answer is 100. Don't do like this कि अभी 8 है, 8 plus 8 16, so 100 minus 16. No, understand? Because यहाँ क्या है? 8 का साइन सब्ट्रैक्शन है. सो हम ये एडिशन, ये सब्ट्रैक्ट, ये माइनस 8 एंड प्लस 8, ये छोड़ के हम 8 प्लस 8 नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज इज दिस 8 साइन इज माइनस. सो माइनस प्लस ये माइनस हो जाएगा. सो 8 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 8 माइनस 8 0 हो जाएगा, बिकॉज प्लस माइनस माइनस और माइनस प्लस माइनस. आई विल टेल यू लेटर व्हाट इज द प्लस माइनस माइनस, प्लस प्लस प्लस, माइनस माइनस प्लस क्या होता है. ओके, सो इतना ही याद रखो. इसका साइन है सब माइनस, सो ये इसमें से माइनस मत करो पहले, मीन्स ये दोनों की एडिशन मत करो. ठीक है, ये प्लस साइन है 8 की और ये 100 की साइन नहीं है, मीन्स ऑलवेज देयर इज नो साइन, मीन्स ऑलवेज प्लस साइन. बी केयरफुल, राइट? और एल्स अभी एक जो मैंने ये प्रॉब्लम में बताया, अगर दो ही टर्म है एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन, अभी यहाँ कौन से बचे है, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन बची है। तब अगर दो ही साइन है, एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन दो ही ऑपरेशन है, तो आप कैसे भी कर सकते हो, जो सीक्वेंस है वैसे ही जा सकते हो। 100 माइनस 8 कितना होगा, 92। 92 प्लस 8 100, आंसर बराबर आएगा, राइट। वो आपको ये चीज़ 7, 8, 9 में सर सिखाएंगे, ठीक है। और सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन अगर है, दो ही टर्म है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन दो ही ऑपरेशंस है, तो डिवीजन भी पहले कर सकते हो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी पहले कर सकते हो, आंसर विल बिकम सेम, अंडरस्टैंड। बट नाउ यू आर इन 5th स्टैंडर्ड, सो गो बाय द डीमास रूल, अंडरस्टैंड। फर्स्ट डिवीजन, देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, देन एडिशन, देन सब्ट्रैक्शन, मीन्स जंबल नहीं होगा, राइट। यहाँ समझ में आया कैसे करना है। 100 का साइन कुछ भी नहीं है, मतलब पॉजिटिव साइन है, प्लस साइन है, और ये 8 का साइन है प्लस, इसीलिए हमने ये दोनों की एडिशन की पहले, जो आई 100 प्लस 8 108, क्या बचा -8, सो -8 लिखा। अब इसमें से ये सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, दिस इज द आंसर, अंडरस्टैंड। लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल, you can write or you can take screenshot also, or you can pause video and take screenshot, okay. Now next, because see, in simplification it's very important, you should follow the rules. Which rule? Demas rule, or if the brackets are there, then Bodmas rule. After this exercise, then bracket, I will teach you the Bodmas rule. Already I told you, but in detail I will teach you Bodmas rule. Okay, brackets कब solve करना है, कौन सा bracket पहले solve करना है, okay, ठीक है। Now G, 100 minus 63, 100 minus 63 divided by 7 plus 14 divided by 7 plus 14 multiplied by 2. Now here also, how many operations are here? Subtraction, division, addition and multiplication. All 4 operations are here. Which one will be first? Obviously, which one? Division will be first. Okay. So solve. Remaining term as it is. Very good. Okay. Chalo. Let's equal sign down. Equal sign. 100 minus as it is. Now 63 divided by 7. In 7's table 63 is there. Yes. 7 9s are 63, or else you can divide here 63 divided by 7. You will get the answer 9. 7 9s are 63, or 9 7s are 63. So instead of this 63 divided by 7, what I will write? The quotient is, see, 63 divided by 7. 7 9s are 63. What is the quotient? 9. So instead of 63 divided by 7, इसकी जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे? इसका जो quotient है वो, what is the quotient? 9. So we will write 9. Remaining term as it is. What is remain? क्या बचा है? Plus 14 multiplied by 2 as it is. Now how many operations are here? Subtraction, addition, multiplication. Now which operation is first? Obviously. Now ये तीनों में से कौन सा पहले आता है? Multiplication. So multiplication. Remaining term as it is. Equal sign down, equal sign. This is very important. 100 minus 9 as it is, plus sign as it is. 14 twos are 2 14s are 14 twos are 28, right? Now how many operations remain? Subtraction and addition. Very good. Now which operation first? Addition. But here see again same problem. ये 9 का साइन कौन सा है? सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो हम ये 9 प्लस 28 नहीं कर सकते. क्यों? वाई? बिकॉज 9 साइन इज माइनस साइन. सो एडिशन साइन किसकी है? ये तो है प्लस 28 8 और 100 की साइन दी है नहीं है. मीन्स 100 हैविंग विच साइन? इफ द नो साइन इज देयर मीन्स ऑलवेज वो नंबर की साइन क्या रहती है? एडिशन साइन. वेरी गुड. सो वी विल ऐड फर्स्ट 100 प्लस 28. 100 प्लस 28 128. What अभी क्या बचा हमारे पास? What is remain? -9. So -9. Now 128 minus 9 करो. 128 minus 9. Possible? No. What we are doing? We are borrowing from neighbor. Neighbor 2 है, 2 become 1, 8 become 18. 18 minus 9. 9 2s are 18. What will be the answer? 9 here. 1 minus कुछ भी नहीं है. 1. ये 1 कुछ भी नहीं है. 1. So what is the answer? 119. 119 is the answer. Understand? Now are you all able to solve remaining H and I? I hope you will solve. Understand? What is important? क्या important है? मैंने बोला है see here. Subtraction and addition जब साइन आती है तब जंबल मत करो. You can ये 28 में से 9 माइनस कर सकते हो बट प्लस नहीं करना है बिकॉज इसका 9 का साइन है माइनस. सो बेटर वे प्लस प्लस साइन वाले जो नंबर्स है उसको पहले ऐड करो. हियर नो साइन इज देयर मीन्स ऑलवेज प्लस साइन इज देयर. रिमेंबर, फिर से मैं बता रहा हूँ, जिस नंबर को साइन नहीं है दी हुई उसकी साइन हमेशा एडिशन रहती है. सो इधर नहीं है मीन्स प्लस 100 है. सो प्लस 100 ये प्लस 28 प्लस प्लस प्लस. पहले ये दोनों का एडिशन करो. 100 प्लस 28 128. अभी क्या बचा है? -9. सो ये -9. सो 128 -9. You will get answer. Understand? I hope you understand. Then also solve all exercise. Then also any problem you can send me on my personal WhatsApp. Okay? Understand? Okay. Till then, thank you.